Hi, I was gifted this 3-pack of sea moss gel so that I could try them out and tell you all about them. And so we've got elderberry, mango pineapple, and strawberry. And I want to talk about just each one separately. The strawberry is very subtle flavor strawberry, not too strong. And that's kind of that's what the consistency is. And like I said, it's not going to taste like strawberry preserves. It has a more subtle flavor to it. By the way, did you know that sea moss gel is a superfood? Yes, it is a superfood. Okay, this one is the mango and pineapple. And this one, when I tried this one, it reminded me of being on the beach. So I just have a knife here. And again, the consistency is about the same. And it is very tropical tasting, takes me back to vacation. And then this one is the elderberry. This one is kind of sweet and it has a little bit of a tang to it. However, it tastes a whole heck of a lot better than the homemade elderberry syrup that I make on my own for the benefits. Yeah, this tastes a lot better than that. And again, they have such great ingredients and benefits to taking sea moss gel. The way I take it, I take a liquid collagen and a liquid multivitamin. And so I just take my spoonful of the sea moss gel and add it to those two things. And I use like a milk frother to mix it all together. And that's how I like to take it. And it kind of, depending on what flavor I pick, kind of mixes it up a little bit. So these are fun, very, very good for you with the health benefits. And I do recommend them. Thanks. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of really cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.